Hello and welcome to SNK Academy. So students, in this particular video we'll be discussing about the temperature volume diagram for the phase change of water. Now as we all know, if the phase of the water changes, obviously the temperature will change. Now water is a pure substance which shows really weird behavior as far as volume is concerned with change of temperature, because up to a certain level the volume of water will decrease with temperature change, and after that the volume will increase. So at what temperature all these things happen? So let us understand this complete topic with the help of interesting animations. Okay, now what is the volume change with respect to temperature? Now let us look into this aspect. So same example I will take, and now you have to look into the piston. Initially I don't told you to look into the piston. Now you have to look into the piston and you have to see where the volume is increasing and where the volume is decreasing. Okay, so initially at minus 10 degrees centigrade we were having ice initially at minus 10 degrees centigrade. This is being heated and it is converted to 0 degree centigrade ice. Now in solids, whenever we supply heat to the solid, the volume of the solid increases. So the volume will increase slightly, not very much, but slight volume will increase from minus 10 degree centigrade ice to 0 degree centigrade of ice. Okay. Now at 0 degree centigrade this ice will convert it to liquid or water. Now the volume of ice obviously is more as compared to that of water. For same mass, ice is having more volume than that of water, as we all know, because the density of ice is less. Okay, as we all know that if we put some certain ice cubes in the water, it will float. That means density of ice is less than that of water. Okay, and you have also observed that whenever we want to freeze the water into ice, we put it in the freezer, और उसमें हमने कई बार देखा होगा कि जब हम लेवल तक ऊपर लेवल तक हम वाटर फिलअप करते हैं, बट स्टिल जब वो आइस बनता है, जब वो फ्रीज होता है, देन उसका लेवल जो है वो और ऊपर आ जाता है. डेट मीन्स फॉर द सेम मास ऑफ वाटर द वॉल्यूम ऑफ आइस इज मोर एज कम्पेयर टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर. Getting this? Okay, so if the ice is getting melted to water, obviously the volume has to decrease. Okay, so initially the volume was increased from A to B. Now while changing its phase, obviously the temperature remains constant, the temperature will remain constant, but the volume will decrease. As you can see from B to C, the temperature is constant but volume is decreasing. Okay. Now water has certain specific properties that at 4 degrees centigrade the volume of water is minimum. So up to 4 degrees centigrade this volume will further decrease, and after 4 degrees centigrade, on heating it again after 4 degrees centigrade, now the volume will continuously increase. The volume of water will continuously increase up to 100 degrees centigrade or saturation temperature. Now at 100 degrees centigrade, after 100 degrees centigrade, obviously the volume will convert into, the water will convert into vapor. So the volume of vapor obviously is more as compared to that of water. So the volume will increase from D to E, and on further increasing, more you heat, more you supply heat, more the temperature will be there and more will be the volume. Okay, जितना ज़्यादा अब हम हीट करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा उसमें एक्सपेंशन होते जाएगा, उतना ज़्यादा उसका टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा, उतनी ज़्यादा उसकी वॉल्यूम बढ़ेगी. Getting this not? Okay, so again I will tell you, from A to B the volume is increasing slightly from minus 10 degree centigrade ice to 0 degree centigrade ice. From B to C the volume will decrease. Why? Because solid is getting melted to liquid, and the volume of liquid, volume of water is less as compared to that of solid. Then from C to D dash, as you can see, D dash is the point at 4 degrees centigrade, and the volume of water is minimum at 4 degrees centigrade. This is the specific property only for water, not for other substances. Okay, so at 4 degrees centigrade the volume is minimum, so volume will decrease up to point D dash. Then from D dash to D the volume will increase up to 100 degrees centigrade. Then from D to E the temperature remains constant but the volume will increase because the water is converting to vapor. Then from E to F, more you supply heat, more the temperature will increase and more the volume will increase. So this is how you can draw TV diagram, temperature volume diagram, for phase change of water.